Energy efficiency is a top priority for many homeowners in New Orleans. With long, hot summers, high humidity levels, and frequent use of air conditioning systems, keeping energy costs under control can be challenging. One of the most effective ways to improve a home's energy performance is by upgrading to modern vinyl windows. Vinyl windows have become a popular choice because they offer an excellent combination of affordability, durability, and energy efficiency. Designed to help reduce heat transfer and improve insulation, these windows can make homes more comfortable while supporting lower energy consumption throughout the year. Reducing heat transfer. One of the primary energy-saving advantages of vinyl windows is their ability to reduce heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. Older windows often allow outdoor heat to enter the home, making air conditioning systems work harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. During New Orleans' warm months, this constant heat gain can lead to increased energy use and higher utility bills. Modern vinyl windows are engineered with insulated frames and advanced glass packages that help slow the movement of heat. By reducing heat transfer, they help keep indoor spaces cooler and more comfortable even during periods of intense summer heat. Improved insulation performance. Unlike some traditional window materials, vinyl is a poor conductor of heat. This natural insulating property helps vinyl window frames resist temperature changes more effectively. Many modern vinyl windows also feature multi-chambered frame designs that create additional insulation barriers. These chambers trap air and help reduce the amount of heat that passes through the frame. Combined with energy-efficient glass systems, this enhanced insulation contributes to more consistent indoor temperatures and improved overall energy performance. Supporting lower cooling costs. Air conditioning is often one of the largest contributors to household energy usage in New Orleans. When windows allow excessive heat to enter the home, cooling systems must run longer and more frequently. Energy-efficient vinyl windows help reduce this burden by limiting solar heat gain and improving insulation. As a result, homeowners may experience less strain on their HVAC systems and potentially lower monthly cooling expenses. While individual savings vary depending on the home's size and existing window condition, improved efficiency often leads to measurable long-term benefits. Low-E glass enhances energy savings. Many vinyl window systems are available with low emissivity, low-E glass coatings. These microscopic coatings are designed to reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through the glass. In warm climates, low-E glass helps minimize the amount of solar heat entering the home. This allows homeowners to enjoy bright, naturally lit rooms without the excessive heat gain associated with older windows. The combination of vinyl frames and low-E glass creates a highly effective energy-saving window system that supports comfort throughout the year. Reducing air leakage. Air leaks around aging windows can significantly impact energy efficiency. Small gaps and deteriorating seals often allow conditioned indoor air to escape while permitting warm outdoor air to enter. Modern vinyl windows are manufactured with precision-engineered frames, advanced weather stripping, and secure sealing systems that help reduce air infiltration. By minimizing drafts and preventing unnecessary air exchange, vinyl windows help maintain more stable indoor temperatures and improve overall home efficiency. Better humidity control. Humidity is an important factor in indoor comfort, particularly in New Orleans. Excess moisture can make indoor spaces feel warmer and more uncomfortable, even when air conditioning is running. While windows do not directly control humidity levels, energy-efficient vinyl windows help support better indoor climate management by reducing air leakage and minimizing temperature fluctuations. Improved insulation can help create a more controlled indoor environment, making it easier for HVAC systems to manage both temperature and moisture levels effectively. Maximizing natural light without excess heat. Many homeowners want bright interiors filled with natural light, but large windows can sometimes increase heat gain. Modern vinyl windows help balance these priorities by combining expansive glass areas with energy-efficient technologies. Advanced glazing systems allow sunlight to enter while limiting the transfer of unwanted heat. This means homeowners can enjoy bright, inviting living spaces without compromising energy efficiency or comfort. Long-term durability supports continued performance. Vinyl windows are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Unlike some materials, vinyl resists warping, cracking, peeling, and moisture damage. This durability helps ensure that energy-efficient performance remains consistent over time. Homeowners can continue benefiting from improved insulation and reduced air leakage without extensive maintenance. The long lifespan of vinyl windows makes them a practical investment for homeowners seeking lasting value. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are often attractive to prospective homebuyers. Vinyl windows provide a combination of comfort, efficiency, and durability that can enhance a property's appeal. Potential buyers frequently appreciate homes with updated windows because they may offer lower utility costs, improved comfort, and reduced maintenance needs. As a result, vinyl windows can contribute to both immediate benefits and long-term property value. A smart energy-efficient upgrade for New Orleans homes. Vinyl windows offer numerous energy efficiency benefits that make them an excellent choice for homeowners in New Orleans. Their ability to reduce heat transfer, improve insulation, minimize air leakage, and support lower cooling costs helps create a more comfortable and efficient home. For homeowners looking to improve comfort while managing energy expenses, modern vinyl windows provide a practical, attractive, and long-lasting solution that delivers value year after year.